Welcome to our channel. When receiving international wire transfers to your KeyBank account, you'll need to provide the correct SWIFT code. Follow these step-by-step instructions to find this information. Step 1. Understand that a SWIFT code, also called a BIC code, is an international bank identifier used for cross-border wire transfers. Step 2. KeyBank's SWIFT code for international wires is KEYBUS33XXX, which is used for all international incoming wire transfers. Step 3. Log into your KeyBank online banking account at www.key.com to access your complete account details. Step 4. Navigate to your account information section where you can find your account number and other banking details. Step 5. When providing wire transfer instructions to someone sending you money internationally, give them the SWIFT code KEYBUS33XXX along with your account number. Step 6. Also provide KeyBank's full address. KeyBank National Association, 127 Public Square, Cleveland, Ohio, 44114. Step 7. Include your full name as it appears on your KeyBank account, your complete account number, and the account type, checking or savings. Step 8. Contact KeyBank's wire transfer department at 1-800-539-2968 if you need additional information or have questions about international wires. Step 9. Be aware that international wire transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days to process and may incur fees from both the sending and receiving banks. Step 10. Monitor your KeyBank account for the incoming wire transfer and verify the amount received matches what was sent, accounting for any transfer fees. Step 11. Keep records of all wire transfer details, including the sender's information, amount, and date for your financial records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.